Hi, in this video we're going to show the construction of the face in a 3/4 profile. We again begin by drawing the circle and finishing the egg partially on the lower portion. We end the egg at this portion. We then mark the center of the face vertically by drawing a curve. Remember, the head is a rounded form, so the center line will also take the shape of the head. Then we mark out the center of the head with a line moving horizontally. Also remember not to have a straight line but a slightly curved line. The lower portion is again divided into 3 parts. This is where the nose fits in and this is where the mouth fits in. We mark the neck beginning from the circle and curving towards away from the head. Beginning from the center line, we mark the other part of the neck. So this is where your eye fits in. This is where your nose fits in. You're able to see one nostril partially and one completely. This is where your lip fits in, where you're able to see one lip partially and one lip completely. Your ear begins from where the eye and starts and ends towards the nose. This is where the forehead ends. You're able to see more of this head, and this is where your hair ends. This is a very basic way to place all your features and show the shape of the head. There are different views of head, that looking up, looking down, looking sideways. It's a good idea to practice each and every view as shown in the chart at the end of the video.